In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a modifier in connection with the previous video, which is creating an item. Here are the 5 simple steps. First, creating an item. Second, changing the type. Third, creating a modifier set. Fourth, assigning the modifier to the modifier set. And last, assigning the modifier set to the item. So let's start. The first step is to create an item. First, go to Manager menu, select Programming, and select Menu Items. And then create New Item. This time, we are now creating a modifier. Now enter the description name and then hit OK. Let us say we'll put modifier 1. Second step is changing the type from item to modifier. Then enter the description name or alternate description if you need to. Now enter the price and select Done. Now assign it to the proper department. For this example, we're going to select Food. Although this is optional for modifiers, but it would be a good practice to always assign a remote printer on modifiers. So we'll select Kitchen and then click on Save Changes. If you need to create more than one modifier, it would be faster to use a duplicate instead of New Item again. So select Duplicate, then change the description name and select Done. Duplicating an item basically changing the description name and the price and retaining the rest of the item settings. So after changing the price, hit on Save Changes. So now we have covered creating a modifier, then changing the type. Now let's go ahead to step 3, which is creating a modifier set. Go to Modifier Sets and you will be taken to the Modifier Set view. Now select New Modifier Set. Then enter the name of the modifier set. In this example, we will type in Meat Choice and then hit OK. The fourth step is assigning the modifiers to the modifier set. Select the Add button. Another window will open that contains the list of all the modifiers. You can look for the modifier by doing a search on the search box at the top or by selecting the modifier from the list. Now we will try to search for the modifier that we created earlier. So on the search box, I will type in modifier 1. Now select the modifier one by one to add it. Select the modifiers one by one to add it. You can also sort it alphabetically. Then select close and then hit and close again and save changes. Now we're done assigning the modifier to a modifier set. The last step that we need to do is assigning the modifier set to an item. You will be able to determine the difference between an item and a modifier through its color. Modifiers are highlighted in red and items are highlighted in blue. To assign a modifier to an item, select the item name and then at the top, select modifiers. Click on the drop-down arrow and then look for the modifier set. Now select the modifier set and click on Add Modifier Set. If you want a maximum selections, just key in the quantity and click on Done. And also, don't forget to save changes. Let us now check the example that we have created. So we'll create a test ticket. Go to appetizers, meaty cheesy fries. So you see meat choices, we have modifier 1 and modifier 2.